Alright, so the problem is the gap between... Oh, let's get some focus there. Between this body panel and this light assembly disappears down low. And when the door opened, it cracked this piece of plastic off. So we bought a new light assembly. Link to that in the description below. It's like $70 US. And we're going to take this off. And before we put the new one on, we're going to try and figure out how we can create a gap so that that doesn't happen again. Put another two? Yeah. See if you can slide that in that gap. It fits, right? It's a little tight, but it fits. Okay, so that's about what we're going for. Maybe a little less. So let's take one of the thickness pieces off. So we could add all these numbers up, and then we'd know how thick that was.
Can I help?
Yeah. Push it in there. So we got a couple Torque X screws we're going to pull out from the bottom and the top of the assembly. There and there, and then we'll pull this light out. Alright, we're going to use the T25 to get that bolt out. Okay, I think it's going to come right out. So we're going to use this sort of pry tool to pull that off. So pop that in there. Now push towards the front of the van. Like that. Okay, good. Okay, we got it. That. Okay, cool. Not seeing any easy to identify like visible damage. So I'm not sure what caused that one to just not work like that. So we're going to use this shim. Here's our light assembly. So we're going to put this on the lower part of the light assembly to help push it out a little bit. And hopefully that will give us a bigger gap. Alright, so we got our spacer prepped with a little longer screw. So those pins looked like they were pushed up a little bit that way. So I just pried them down to get them a little more straight, and we'll see if that helps us get our connector connected. So I got it connected. It just took a little bit more force than I would have liked when doing that insertion. Alright, so I moved the spacer behind that assembly, so now I'm going to go back to the stock screw. I've eyeballed it, lined up my hole for insertion. Just going to do a little hand start on that one. I'm going to close this door and see. Ooh, look at that contact. Still don't have the space we want there. It's better, but it's better, and then it's not hitting. But I want more of a gap, so I'm gonna get more spacers in there. All right, so we have fabricated a shim out of some leftover Baltic birch. We're gonna shim it in here. Let's see if that shim helps fix our problem. Definitely better. Surprised that's not. I wonder if I could just trim that down a little bit. Pop a shim out. I'm calling that good. I'm going to snug it up, do one more thickness check, and then be done with it. Alrighty, so we've replaced the light and we've put a gap in it so that it doesn't crack the same way it did the first time. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you around.